5 money mistakes to avoid in 2025. Are you working hard, but still feel broke? Face the truth is, most people are losing money without even realizing it. In this video, I'll show you the 5 biggest money mistakes to avoid in 2025, and how to fix them so you can finally start building wealth. Stay with me until the end, because mistake number 5 is the most common one keeping people broke. Mistake number 1, living paycheck to paycheck problem, spending every dollar you earn. Fix: create a simple budget, track your expenses, and set aside at least 20% for savings or investments. Tip: use apps like Mint, YNAB, or even a simple spreadsheet. Mistake number 2, relying on credit cards for lifestyle problem, using debt to look rich instead of building wealth. Fix: pay off high-interest debt as fast as possible. Tip: switch to debit or cash for daily expenses. Mistake number 3, ignoring investments problem, keeping all your money in a savings account where inflation eats it. Fix: start small with index funds, ETFs, or robo-advisors. Example: even $100 a month invested can grow massively over time. Mistake number 4, not having an emergency fund problem. One emergency can wipe out your finances. Fix: build 3 to 6 months' worth of expenses in a separate savings account. Tip: automate transfers weekly or monthly to build it steadily. Mistake number 5, lifestyle inflation problem. The more you earn, the more you spend, new gadgets, car, clothes. Fix: keep your expenses stable and invest the difference. Tip: pretend you're still earning your old salary and save the raise. Conclusion: so those are the 5 money mistakes to avoid in 2025. If you stop making these mistakes, your financial life will transform faster than you think. Which mistake are you guilty of right now? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to Smart Finance with Yemi Osini for more tips on saving, investing, and building wealth. Rock it!